morning, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Shyla. I am taking you through a bunch of different ways that I am slowly and steadily reorganizing the house for this last stretch of summer. So if you enjoy these kinds of videos, I hope that it's cozy, I hope that it's productive, and that it's a reminder to you that slow and steady is perfectly good enough. We decided to do a little bit of interior redecoration in this place because it just feels like since me and my husband got married a few months ago that we've just like entered this new chapter in life. And since September is approaching, which is like so crazy this year, this is crazy, and fall is coming, I really was thinking like I want it to be befitting of our new chapter. I want to go into the fall with like a very tidy, clean, organized household so that we can just like bring out all the fall decor and it'll be a good vibe, and you know what I mean. I'm very excited for fall. I wanted to give you a little basically a little apartment update. Okay, so if you're not familiar, this is our living room, and we have now moved this desk here. I know what you're thinking, weird flex. I know, I get it. My husband is a gamer and I support him. In the office, we had created a little space for him. I mean, he works from home sometimes, so it was a nice practical spot for him. We just like to be very individualistic sometimes and do our own things, but it's just kind of nice to be together. It's like we're doing our own things together, so that's why we've moved it here. And honestly, I care way more about the emotional contentment of that idea than I do about how it looks. So anyways, there's that. And so now the office looks different. It's not great at the moment, so this is what I've got. But basically, we've moved a lot of our stuff from the bedroom into here, so then I'll show you the bedroom quickly, but she doesn't know what she wants to be yet. Okay, so we moved the bed. The room looks a lot smaller, I think, but it's okay because now boss also has some space here because he didn't have any space before. So now this is our view, when we wake up, and I feel like it's so much more, I don't know, sophisticated. So we went to Ikea and got some, I think it's minimalistic, sophisticated things for the room. So I'm actually gonna set that up in a little bit. I want to clean the house first, come along with me, let's reset together. But I am doing it to get to the dessert, and the dessert is decorating this room. I am so excited. Good morning. Today is going to be an organizing day, so I'm just going to be taking all of the seasoning stuff out of the drawers, and boss is around today, so we're gonna do some organizing together, do some errands around the house. I'm very excited because I feel like all these different pieces, parts of the house are just coming together. So the reset this month is so real. It's gonna be so good. I'm so excited. Let's do it. Monday, luckily I had the morning off work, which is super nice. I have to go to work in a little bit though, but I thought in between now and then I would try to make the most of my time and my energy, to be honest. I'm just taking it piece at a time, no overwhelming myself, like doing this all today, just like what can I get done today? What is going to be happening, and just kind of doing it. Time to plan out what September is going to look like for me a little bit, like what intentions I want to be setting and like what directions I want to go in. I haven't actually gotten anything super concrete yet, so I'm not gonna be like forceful and like make sure I plan out goals and everything. I'm just gonna take the next few days until September arrives to really think about what it is I want to be doing in September and what kind of direction I want to be going in, so that I can start to think about that now, take some steps now. I really did like making a little like September almost like bucket list. I don't know, just putting some like ideas down of like things I could do in fall. Like I was reading about like certain books I could maybe read, or like thinking about certain subjects I'd want to be learning about. I don't know, just kind of getting a general idea, but nothing too specific today. I also just like to look on Pinterest, see what's up there, see if there's any good September or fall vibes that I can be already looking into. But yeah, for now, I'm just honestly really happy with this place that I'm at, like in my life, in this season. I am like very antsy for fall because fall is my favorite season, I think, but I am just gonna stay present in this and just kind of daydream and think about what it is that fall could maybe look like for me, and just kind of like sit in that in between and just like sit in that hopefulness and optimism of what is yet to come. Anyways, if you enjoyed this little reset video for September, then don't forget to let me know by liking this video, and also leave me a comment down below if something resonated with you. If you want to just let me know how you're doing and connect a little bit, also don't forget to subscribe, because I post new videos every single week, and I also post a mini podcast, if you didn't know, every Monday mornings. It's super short and sweet and will hopefully give you some energy for the beginning of your week. You're welcome there, and otherwise you're welcome here in these weekly lifestyle wellness related videos. Either way, I hope you have a great week, and I hope to see you in my next video.